Welcome to Demolition Worker. Today we tackle the most complex structures in Iran, dismantling massive damaged overpasses with absolute surgical precision. These giant concrete traffic interchanges represent a massive engineering challenge, demanding careful planning to prevent sudden collapses during the demolition process. Decades of heavy traffic and severe environmental stress have left these massive reinforced concrete bridges dangerously compromised and ready to fall. Our primary mission is safely dismantling these giant concrete spans without causing dangerous shockwaves that could threaten the surrounding urban infrastructure. Traditional explosive methods are entirely out of the question here. We must rely on surgical precision and highly specialized heavy machinery. Top civil engineers gather at the site, analyzing structural blueprints to understand the complex puzzle of gravity and immense internal pressure. Every single calculation must be absolutely flawless. A minor mistake in weight distribution could trigger a deadly chain reaction of destruction. The team deploys advanced sensors across the damaged pillars, monitoring microscopic shifts in the concrete to predict any sudden structural failures. Before any heavy equipment moves in, workers secure the perimeter, ensuring no civilian traffic enters the highly dangerous drop zone below. We begin the delicate process by introducing the diamond wire saw, an incredible piece of technology designed for cutting solid concrete. This specialized tool uses a continuous loop of strong steel cable embedded with industrial diamonds to slice through thick metal reinforcements. Operators carefully wrap the diamond wire around the first giant concrete pillar, preparing for a smooth and incredibly precise cutting operation. As the powerful motor engages, the diamond wire spins at incredible speeds, effortlessly biting into the dense concrete and steel rebar. Water is continuously pumped onto the cutting surface to reduce intense friction and prevent the diamond wire from dangerously overheating. Today, the diamond wire creates a perfectly flat cut across the massive block, leaving a surface as smooth as polished natural stone. This method ensures that the structural integrity of the remaining bridge sections is not compromised by violent vibrations or sudden shocks. We can clearly see the intricate layers of steel reinforcement exposed by the clean cut, demonstrating the immense strength of bridges. Once the primary cuts are completed, the team brings in heavy hydraulic hammers to chip away the smaller, non-essential sections. These powerful hydraulic breakers deliver massive amounts of concentrated force, shattering the damaged concrete while keeping the surrounding area completely stable. The rhythmic pounding of the hydraulic hammers echoes through the empty intersection, a testament to the raw mechanical power at work. Skilled operators control these giant machines with incredible finesse, ensuring that only the targeted sections of the bridge are completely destroyed. Dust suppression systems spray a fine mist of water over the work area, keeping harmful concrete particles from polluting the air. Every piece of debris is carefully managed. The safety of the crew depends on maintaining a clean and highly organized workspace. Now comes the most critical phase of the operation. We must lower the massive concrete beams down to the ground safely. Specialized heavy-duty cranes are positioned strategically around the weakened bridge span, ready to take the immense weight of the concrete. Riggers attach thick steel cables to the bridge segments, double-checking every single connection to ensure absolute safety during the lift. The cranes slowly take up the slack in the cables, bearing the full weight of the massive reinforced concrete bridge section. This is a delicate dance of physics and engineering. The operators must synchronize their movements perfectly to avoid any disastrous swings. Slowly but surely, the giant concrete beam is lifted away from its original supports, hovering briefly in the air above us. The crane operators gently lower the massive load toward the ground, carefully navigating around the remaining structural columns and heavy machinery. As the beam touches the ground, a collective sigh of relief washes over the crew. The hardest part is finally over. Ground crews immediately move in to detach the rigging cables, preparing the massive concrete block for its final journey off-site. Giant excavators equipped with pulverizing attachments begin breaking down the lowered beam into much smaller, easily manageable pieces for quick transport. The steel reinforcement bars are separated from the crushed concrete, ready to be sent to a recycling facility for future construction. This sustainable approach ensures that the materials from the old bridge will find new life in future infrastructure projects across Iran. Meanwhile, the cutting team moves on to the next massive pillar, setting up the diamond wire saw for another precision operation. The process is a continuous cycle of calculating, cutting, lifting, and crushing, requiring immense focus and stamina from the entire crew. Night falls over the construction site, but the work never stops. Bright floodlights illuminate the bridge, casting long shadows across concrete. The glowing sparks from cutting torches create a spectacular visual display against the dark sky, highlighting the intense labor happening here. Working through the night is essential to minimize traffic disruptions in the busy city. Clearing the vital intersection as quickly possible. The hydraulic hammers continue their relentless assault on the remaining concrete structures, their loud impacts echoing through the quiet, sleeping city. Each strike weakens the old bridge further, bringing the massive damaged overpass closer to its final and complete structural demolition tonight. Engineers constantly monitor the vibration levels, ensuring that the heavy machinery does not accidentally damage the fragile underground utility lines below. The precision of the diamond wire saw is truly remarkable, slicing through thick concrete pillars like a hot knife through butter. Looking closely at the cut surfaces reveals the complex internal architecture of the bridge, a hidden network of strong steel cables. It takes incredible skill to balance the immense gravitational forces at play when dismantling such a massive and complex concrete structure. The cranes return to lift another huge segment of the bridge, their powerful diesel engines roaring loudly under the extreme strain. The coordination between the crane operators and the ground crew is flawless, a true testament to their years of professional experience. Slowly, the skyline begins to change as the towering concrete overpass is systematically dismantled piece by piece, revealing the open sky. The sheer scale of this demolition project is awe-inspiring, showcasing the incredible capabilities of modern engineering and heavy construction machinery. As dawn breaks, the progress made overnight becomes clearly visible. A massive section of the damaged bridge has completely vanished now. The morning light reveals a busy site filled with dump trucks ready to haul away the thousands of tons of debris. Loaders scoop up the crushed concrete and twisted steel, filling the massive trucks in a matter of minutes with extreme efficiency. A steady stream of heavy vehicles leaves the site, transporting the remnants of the old bridge to various local recycling centers. The demolition team pauses for a brief moment to review the remaining structures, planning their next moves with absolute strategic precision. The remaining pillars stand like ancient ruins, soon to be brought down by the relentless power of our advanced hydraulic machinery. We deploy the diamond wire saw once again, targeting the thickest support columns that anchor the entire bridge to the ground. The cutting process is mesmerizing to watch, a perfect blend of raw mechanical power and delicate surgical precision in extreme environments. Water continues to flow over the cutting wire, keeping the operation safe and preventing any dangerous sparks from igniting nearby materials. The final cut is made and the massive concrete pillar is completely severed from its base, held upright only by cables. The crane takes the full weight of the severed pillar, slowly lifting it away from the foundation with incredible control today. Lowering such a tall and heavy object requires intense concentration, as any sudden wind gust could cause a disastrous swinging motion. The pillar is safely laid down on the ground, ready to be pulverized by the waiting excavators and their powerful attachments. The site is rapidly transforming from a towering concrete bridge into a flat open space ready for future urban development projects. Our engineers conduct a thorough inspection of the remaining foundation, ensuring that no hidden structural damage was caused during the demolition. The ground must be perfectly stable before any new construction can begin, making this final phase of the operation absolutely critical. We use specialized ground-penetrating radar to check for any subterranean anomalies that might compromise the safety of the new roads. The demolition of this overpass is a perfect example of how modern technology can solve complex engineering problems with incredible efficiency. Without the diamond wire saw, this project would have taken months to complete, causing massive disruptions to the local transportation network. The hydraulic hammers have proven their worth, quickly breaking down the toughest concrete without causing any dangerous shockwaves in the area. The heavy lifting capabilities of the cranes were absolutely essential for safely moving the massive bridge segments away from the site. Every piece of equipment played a vital role in this complex symphony of destruction. working together to achieve a common goal. The crew works tirelessly to clear the final piles of debris, sweeping the area clean and preparing it for the public. Dust is washed away from the surrounding streets, revealing a fresh new perspective on this busy Iranian traffic intersection right now. The transformation is truly incredible. Where a damaged, dangerous bridge once stood, there is now a safe and open traffic pathway. Local authorities arrived to inspect the cleared site, highly impressed by the speed and incredible precision of our professional demolition team. The successful removal of this overpass paves the way for a safer and more efficient transportation network in the heart of Iran. Our team gathers for a final debriefing, analyzing the data collected during the operation to improve our techniques for future projects. Every demolition job is a unique learning experience, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with modern engineering and heavy machinery. We pack up the diamond wire saws, carefully coiling the valuable cutting cables and securing them safely in our transport trucks. The hydraulic hammers are detached from the excavators, their heavy steel tips worn down from days of relentlessly smashing solid concrete. The massive cranes fold up their towering booms, preparing for the long journey back to the equipment yard across the city. A sense of deep pride fills the crew as they look out over the perfectly cleared intersection, knowing they succeeded today. This project demanded perfectly calculated balancing of immense pressure and gravity, and our top engineers delivered exactly what was required here. The dangerous threat of a sudden bridge collapse has been completely eliminated, ensuring the safety of thousands of daily civilian commuters. The recycled concrete and steel will soon be repurposed, contributing to the sustainable growth and development of the surrounding urban infrastructure. Demolition is not just about destroying things. It is about carefully dismantling the old to safely make way for the new. The skills demonstrated by these workers are truly world-class, showcasing their deep understanding of complex structural mechanics and heavy machinery. As the last truck leaves the site, the intersection is finally reopened to the public, restoring the normal flow of traffic. Cars and buses move smoothly through the area, completely unaware of the massive engineering feat that just took place right here. The success of this operation is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our ability to overcome massive challenges. We have successfully conquered one of the most complex structures in Iran, proving that no demolition job is too difficult today. The combination of advanced technology and highly skilled labor is the key to safely taking down these giant, reinforced concrete beasts. We will continue to tackle the toughest demolition projects around the world, pushing the limits of modern engineering and heavy construction. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the fascinating and highly dangerous world of professional heavy structural demolition. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the incredible power and absolute precision required to bring down a massive damaged concrete highway overpass. This is Demolition Worker signing off. Stay tuned for more epic engineering challenges and spectacular structural takedowns in our next exciting episode.